Have you ever had a door close in your face, only to realize it was the best thing that could have happened? Today, we delve into the skill of turning rejection on its head, inspired by the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine living in a world where every no doesn't bring you down, but instead pushes you forward. Rejection, often a source of discomfort, can be transformed into a stepping stone to greatness. It's not about deceiving fate, but understanding that sometimes the universe's no is actually a concealed yes to something greater. Feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to change the narrative. In this video, we unpack 13 powerful lessons on harnessing the power of rejection. These are not just theories, but practical strategies you can apply in your daily life. Before we dive in, let's spread this wisdom far and wide. Hit that like button and ring the notification bell. It lets YouTube know you're finding value in what we're sharing. Now, let's embark on this transformative journey together, turning your rejections into your greatest victories. 1. Ignore them. When life gives you the cold shoulder, don't shrink back, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. When someone decides you're not worth their time, that's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, I am worth more. Focus on your life, your goals, and your happiness. This isn't about getting back at someone. It's about reclaiming your energy and investing it where it matters. Instead of dwelling in pain, use it as a catalyst for growth. Build a fortress of self-respect and let their indifference bounce off it. 2. Don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting, tempting you to react emotionally. But here's a Stoic secret: calmness. When someone brushes you off, resist the urge to let frustration or sadness take over. Stoicism, a philosophy as relevant today as in ancient Greece, offers a different path, embracing a composed, thoughtful response. This isn't about suppressing your feelings, but about not letting them control you. Reflect on why the rejection bothers you, and remember that it's just a moment, not a defining feature. Focus on your actions and responses, not others' behavior. 3. Remove them from your mind. Harnessing the art of detachment is powerful when facing rejection. Acknowledge the rejection, feel its impact, but don't let it anchor your thoughts. Use the experience as a stepping stone for self-discovery and growth. Explore new activities, enrich your spirit, and broaden your horizons. Engage in enriching experiences that make you more resilient and adaptable. Surround yourself with positive influences, and remember that rejection is not a reflection of your worth. It's an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself. 4. Demonstrate your value. Rejection can be a test of resilience. Instead of feeling down, use it as an opportunity to showcase your skills and strengths. If you are overlooked, take action to highlight your abilities. Remember, rejection isn't a reflection of your worth. It's a chance to shine brighter. Use setbacks as a catalyst to reassess and realign your strengths and passions. Embrace the full spectrum of emotions and move forward with grace, focusing on what you can control. 5. Cut off contact. Silence isn't just the absence of sound. It's a powerful tool for maintaining your emotional well-being. If someone ignores or turns you down, embrace silence. It's not about playing games, but about regaining your power and clarity. Use this time to refocus on your goals and passions, establishing a boundary for your mental peace. This isn't about making someone regret their actions. It's about showing that you're solid and centered, with or without their validation. 6. Prove them wrong. The art of using rejection isn't about proving others wrong, but about demonstrating to yourself what you're truly capable of. Whether someone doubts your abilities or questions your skills, use this as fuel for personal growth. Sharpen your skills, surpass your own limits, and let your results speak for themselves. This journey of self-improvement is about transforming your self-image and realizing that the only validation that matters is your own. 7. Go out and have fun. Embracing joy and new experiences is a strategic move to build resilience in the face of rejection. Instead of withdrawing, seek out activities that bring you joy. This isn't about ignoring your feelings, but about giving them a new outlet. Engage with friends, explore new hobbies, and step into the unknown. These experiences are not just distractions, but opportunities for growth, adding layers to your character and making you more adaptable and empathetic. 8. Build your social status. When ignored or overlooked, focus on self-enhancement and community involvement. This isn't about climbing a social ladder, but about personal growth. Engage in activities that strengthen your character and build meaningful relationships. Share your journey not for applause, but for connection, and engage in volunteering or networking to contribute to the greater good. This approach aligns with Stoic philosophy, focusing on self-improvement and the well-being of others. 9. Act as if they don't exist. When faced with indifference, sometimes the strongest response is a quiet one. It's not about being cold, but about respecting your peace. If someone chooses to overlook you, redirect your attention to those who value your presence. Maintain professionalism in unavoidable interactions and focus on what matters. By not engaging in a one-sided struggle, you invest your energy in healthier interactions and opportunities. 10. Give them the silent treatment. Silence can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and emotional mastery. When someone ignores you, use silence as a time for introspection. This isn't about punishing the other person, but about preserving your peace. Reflect on your virtues and values, and use this time to strengthen your character. By choosing not to engage, you maintain your dignity and focus on your personal journey. 11. Don't beg for attention. In the face of indifference, don't seek attention. Anchor yourself in your self-worth. Engage in activities that fulfill you and connect with people who appreciate you. This isn't about showing off, but about realizing your own value. Invest in your personal development and achievements, independent of how others perceive them. This approach transcends rejection and focuses on your journey of growth and fulfillment. 12. Be kind, but emotionally distant. Choose kindness in the face of indifference, but maintain emotional distance. This isn't about being cold, but about protecting your peace. Respond with politeness and respect, without expecting anything in return. By maintaining emotional distance, you show that your worth isn't tied to others' actions. This approach embodies Stoic wisdom, balancing kindness with emotional integrity. 13. Don't reveal your struggle. When faced with rejection, maintain your composure. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them dominate your actions. By continuing with confidence and determination, you show your strength and resilience. This approach isn't about hiding your emotions, but managing them in a way that maintains your dignity and self-respect. Your response reflects your fortitude and stability, embracing the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience. We've explored 13 powerful lessons on turning rejection into a tool for success. Remember, each no is a stepping stone to resilience and self-discovery. Embrace rejection not as a setback, but as a catalyst for growth. Share your journey and victories in the comments below, and let's continue mastering the art of Stoic resilience together. Stay stoic.